Hello, friends and family. Welcome to Late Back Cooking with Nana. Came here when he was 3 months old. He's 11 months. Next week is his birthday. Then he's a year old. Now I'm making food for him. His mommy sent every um, first of the month. She will send me some vegetables that I like to put cinnamon in for him because cinnamon is a sweet. Is it a herb or is it a sweet stick? It gives sweetness to whatever dish you make. I don't like to put sugar in for him, so I'll put the cinnamon in for him. And then I use the butternut. Yes, some carrots. I grate my carrots, then it goes quicker. And this is some sweet potato, the different colors of sweet potato. Then I use my Morvello butter, piece of Morvello butter, little salt, and I'll put a quarter of an onion. I will braise the onion with my butter, and then I'll show you how I make it. My onion is already in the pot, then I'll put this much butter in. People will say, there's a klomp butter. No, it's not a klomp. This food is for the week. I'm cooking food for him for a week. And he loves Nana's food. This baby, he's like an angel that was sent to me. He keeps me very busy. And he makes me laugh. Elke baby laat 'n mens lag, but ek het lank gedink 'n baby gaan my so laat lag. He does funny little stuff. You know, his mommy was 3 months pregnant. 3 went in for 4 months. Then she called me and she told me that she's pregnant. I said, congratulations to her and her husband. Then I asked her, when is the baby due? She said, the baby will be due about the middle of December. So I said, okay. And then she said, Auntie, but while she was talking, her husband came in. Her husband said, Auntie, we wanna ask you, but while she was busy talking to me, she was just saying Auntie, then he came and he said, Auntie, we want to talk to you. We want to